Evelyn, a 1911 cottage nestled in the historic suburb of Paddington, Brisbane, has been meticulously transformed into a contemporary family home by Myers Ellyett Architects. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to the firm's ability to blend the old with the new, creating a space that is both timeless and relevant. The front door, a vertical timber screen, sets the tone for the rest of the home. It hints at the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living, a theme that is carried throughout the house. The architects have skillfully combined the original structure of the cottage with contemporary additions, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. The architects, Jade Myers and William Elliott, were uniquely positioned to understand the needs of their clients, Ian and Laura. With children of similar ages, they were able to empathize with the demands of family life and design a home that would cater to their every need. At the heart of Evelyn lies a beautifully landscaped garden, a serene oasis that serves as the focal point of the home. The architect's intention was to create a space that would draw the family outdoors and encourage relaxation and togetherness. To achieve this, they carefully considered every aspect of the design, from the placement of windows to the choice of materials. The interior of Evelyn is characterized by its understated elegance and refined aesthetic. The use of timber, both old and new, adds warmth and character to the space. The ceilings, with their vertical joint boards, echo the architectural details of the facade, further enhancing the sense of continuity between the past and the present. The bedrooms, positioned at the rear of the house, are designed to be peaceful and serene. Large windows offer stunning views of the garden, while sliding glass panels blur the lines between indoors and out. The bathrooms, with their green terrazzo walls, create a spa-like atmosphere that is both luxurious and relaxing. Evelyn is more than just a house. It is a testament to the power of good design to enhance our lives. By creating a space that is both beautiful and functional, Myers Ellyett Architects have transformed a historic cottage into a modern masterpiece. The architects' passion for their craft is evident in every detail, from the carefully curated material palette to the thoughtful layout of the space. The success of Evelyn lies not only in its architectural brilliance, but also in the strong relationship between the architects and their clients. By working closely together, they were able to create a home that truly reflects the family's lifestyle and aspirations. Evelyn was designed by Myers Ellyett Architects, and it's a beautiful example of how modern architecture can blend seamlessly with traditional elements. The house is built around a central garden, which is a key feature of the design. The architects wanted to create a space that would bring the family together and encourage outdoor living. If you're looking for inspiration for your own home renovation, I highly recommend checking out Evelyn. It's a truly beautiful and functional space. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on architecture and design.